You might not be familiar with the faces, but if you listen really, you know, so this is one of the biggest songs right now.
Girl, you got me feeling some kind of way. Got me saying things that I never get to say. Oh yes. Girl, you got me feeling some kind of way. Some kind of way that I can't explain. Yeah.
Pull up. Yeah, one of the most unique voices and sounds in the business right now. Third Eye, introduce yourself for me, please.
Well, I'm Kuro's lead singer, songwriter.
Well, I'm Troy, instrumentalist.
Mario Moreto, instrumentalist and singer.
I just want to ask you everything about that song. Yeah.
Some boy and trees still. I don't know, people might not believe still, but it's like one Sunday I'm in a kitchen, cut up some chicken and them thing there, you see me? And the boys out there and on the veranda and just a play around, I try to find something and I say, yo, I hear something, so I say, alright, I did a whole melody and I say, I have to just left what I do with the raw chicken bomb and everything, run go on the veranda and I say, yo, I could just record a little thing and then see if we can work with it from this on. Most of the times, I'm not enough to write songs anymore. I used to write songs, but I just freestyle and just structure.
You got me listening love songs. You got me writing them down. You got my mind on you. Got me doing things that I never get to do.
Talk to me now in terms of how the group actually came together.
It's like, him with a message with my songwriter bridge and I say, yo, they want a singer for link with, isn't me?
Yeah.
Meanwhile, they might tell me link with Chris. Yeah, Chris I'm a songwriter bridge in CMA. Isn't me? So he might tell me about them and they might tell me about isn't me?
Yeah.
So everybody hear about the one, but we never know say yo this a man because we know each other already.
Yeah.
Isn't me? So we never know each other now. This man now, like, is another bridge in me know him too.
Yeah.
And then now him meet them, try meet them, Chris, everybody. So me was the last person to meet him because everybody has say yo they meet a new guitarist and something and might be a great addition to the group and something. And I say alright. And I say him bad. This a man I even say yo him better than him. You see me? So I say alright more you who that then. You see me? And we just starting from this brother and we just grew from 2017 till now.
Me first hear the song on the radio, I make a call and Chroma tell me, say, yo, you know, say, I Ice produce them, Ice producers, how you get for mix up, for link up with DJ Ice?
Alright, it was one of the spots where we normally they are island villages, because most times, like from them time there, I just realize they are vibe and create songs, just a build songs on the spot. You see me? And this brother named Diesel, you see me? Link we and did and I say, yo, you know, say, I have some link more and busting up and still, because I say, yo, I can't soon hear sound, I don't go on the road, brother. I have to send you on the road, you see me? And I so come, we get the link with Ice, and Ice watch a video with me, and I say, yo, you want to work with you, you see me? And from this side, I just hit, man.
What do you think it was that made Ice decide to this other one?
We're inspiration incarnate, man. So you see anytime people see it, it's like them just get inspired and want to do things that they don't normally do.
What's one of the benefits of working with a veteran like DJ Ice?
Him get the thing them out there as quick as we can record them. And it's like we learn a whole heap from him see me.
The type of music me listen to now is like unreally local type of music. I'm like, yeah, check music.
Me and him kind of listen to the same type of music. Mostly international music we listen to CMA. I listen locals, but them have to really like stand out. Then I listen Caribbean music.
So who are some of the inspirations? Because we hear the difference in the song.
Michael Jackson, the greatest. That's one of my main influences. Some Bob kind of style. Yeah, I use some jazz. Some whole heap of things.
We know the big single right now. Is there anything else in the works?
That single is off the EP, right? And the EP is The Awakening by Third Eye. So iTunes everything, isn't it? Shazam everything. But otherwise from that, we have some new something that come out. We call it acoustic dancehall. Isn't it? So we are going to show people how we do with version of dancehall. Isn't it? Everything acoustic. Isn't it? So we have something that come out named Passion Fruit. We have another song named Honeydew. Isn't it? So we don't hear them there now.
You ever worry that the sound is a little bit or sometimes not Jamaican enough for Jamaica?
Well, me don't really think local still, you know, brother. From morning, me not grow them way. I grow if you think global. You see me? If it shot overseas, we shot out us. And if it shot out us, it shot overseas. So anyway, it's a win-win situation. From song good, song just good. You see me?
So talk to me about what next for Third Eye.
Video shoot and them thing there line up and now for the month. So whole heap of things, man. So everything in our pipeline and take time and roll out.
Lastly now, Third Eye, I want you to tell me what most makes Third Eye intense.
Our ability to fuse genres. You get me, I say, and put our spin on everything what we do. You get me, I say. We just make everything our own.
Local group with an international sound. That I go on. Third Eye, check them out. Boom.